So how do you import a video from a DSLR onto the iPad? Let's get started. So if this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, do not hesitate and subscribe because I have so many tutorials which I believe you're gonna find useful. Anyways, your DSLR, like your camera, captures the footage, the video, usually on an SD card. So you need to grab your camera and open up the port or little place and get out, like remove the SD card from the device. Now, by the way, I need to mention that some people use the over the internet method of connecting the camera to the iPad. Like there are some apps specifically for it, like you can get the Canon app or some Panasonic one or whatever. But I'm just want to say that I'm not a big fan of that. I like to just remove the SD card like that and then connect it to my iPad. So for this, I use like this little adapter where I insert the SD card in it and then connect it to my iPad through the USB-C port. So personally, I prefer this method and I like it a lot more. And once I have this all connected, I can locate my Files app on the iPad where all of these things get managed. So in the left panel in the sidebar, we have locations and the SD card should appear as a separate location. So I can tap on it and see all of the videos and photos right there. And I can do whatever I want. I can browse them in here, or I can hold down on individual items, move it to my local storage, or just copy it, or save it to the Photos app, right? It just works like a charm. Or while you have the SD card connected, I believe you can also open up the Photos app and something should appear regarding importing the footage directly to the Photos app. So that should work as well. So definitely try to explore it on your own to see if you can find something like that. But that is going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think about it below. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I hope I get to see you later in the future videos.